Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make this perfect Bali vibe skirt. It's easier than you think. We are going to start with a special elastic foundation row. Chain 2, insert hook into the second chain from hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one loop. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. We are making foundation single crochets instead of a regular chain for better stretch. Repeat this until you have the required number of stitches and join with a slip stitch. Next, work one row of double crochets. After that, we will start the ribbing. Alternate front post and back post double crochets as shown in this video. Now the pattern. Chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch and chain 1. Skip 2 stitches and in the third stitch work 5 double crochets with a chain space between them. This is our shell. Skip 2 stitches and single crochet in the third stitch. Repeat this until the end of the row. For the second row, start with 4 chains, then double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1 into the same stitch. Single crochet into the third double crochet of the previous shell, chain 1. Then work a full shell. Chain 1, 5 double crochets with a chain space onto the Continue alternating these rows until you reach your desired length. Once you reached your desired length, cut the yarn, fasten off and weave in all the ends. Now attach the elastic thread. Using your hook, work slip stitches around the back post of the waistband from the inside. Our skirt is ready. I hope you enjoyed crocheting with me. Thank you guys!